Hi there, students. A fact, a countable noun. Fact, an uncountable noun. Okay, so let's see. A fact is something that is known to have happened. It's known to have existed. Yeah, it's a verifiable truth. It's something that you can verify through observation. It's a piece of information that is true. So give me all the facts. Yeah, tell me all of the true things that have happened. Yeah, and this is the idea of fact, something that is real. Yeah, gravity is a fact, it's not a theory. Yeah, a fact is something that is not invented. It's something that's actual and real. It's something concrete. Yeah, so let me look at the facts before deciding. It's a fact that the Earth orbits the Sun. Okay, the facts about something, the information, the circumstances, the true things. In law, you can have after the fact or before the fact, an accessory after the fact or an accessory before the fact. Here the fact means the committing of an offence. So if you're an accessory after the fact, you've helped somebody after they committed the crime. And if you're an accessory before the fact, you've helped somebody before they committed their crime. We often say as a matter of fact, in point of fact, yeah, and this is a way to say in reality, yeah, the truth is in point of fact. Okay, so I spend most of my day working. In point of fact, I spend 19 hours a day working. Yeah, in actual fact. Yeah, in fact. Now, I was wondering about this phrase, in actual fact, because we use this phrase, in actual fact, quite often. And I think this is to do with the fact that to do with the truth, that we often use fact or to allege that something is true. Yeah, the allegation of a fact. Somebody alleges that it's true. He says that it's a fact, but in actual fact he's wrong. And that's why you can use this, although it does sound like a tautology. Yeah, you've got your facts wrong. Your facts are incorrect, therefore they're not facts. Yeah. Okay, facts must be true or be purported to be true. Yeah, and this is very often, in fact, is used to make distinctions between the two. So, yes, this is blue. In fact, it's an orangey blue colour. Yeah, it costs £20. In fact, it costs £19.99. Yeah, or okay, so this is a good way of using it, saying that it's an allegation of fact, not necessarily a fact. It's something that's believed to be true. Okay, so fact. Let's see. We can also have facts. The facts of life. Yeah. So a fact of life. It's an inescapable truth. It's especially something that's unpleasant. So work is a fact of life. And then I'm thinking about the facts of life. This we use for sex education. So children need to be taught the facts of life. The fact of the matter, the truth, the reality of the situation. Yeah. So fact, something that's factual is got facts in it. Factually, this is true. Okay, so a fact, something that is known to have happened, something that we know to exist. There's proof that exists. Yeah, there's information about it. Yeah. Okay, so I wasn't angry that you took my money. It was just the fact that you didn't ask me first. As a matter of fact, yeah, she doesn't work. In fact, she's never had a job. Yeah. Getting old and losing your hair, maybe just a fact of life. The facts and figures of something, the exact detailed information. So after the meeting, I will give you all a handout with the exact facts and figures on something. The facts of life, the details about sex and how babies are born. Okay, so fact. Yeah, something that is known, something that everyone agrees or everyone maintains is true. A piece of factual information. It's the actual truth. This is a fact because there is evidence to prove it. Yeah. Science fiction becomes science fact. I remember Star Trek when I was a kid, and they had this thing which they opened up and they could talk to the ship, and you could even see sometimes the person they were talking to. Well, this is now science fact because that's called a mobile phone. So yeah, fiction becomes fact. Okay, so formality, fact, in fact. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think you can use it absolutely anywhere. I'm also thinking of this phrase, despite the fact that. So despite the reality that, despite the detail, despite the point that. Yeah. Okay, the fact remains that we need to change this. Yeah. Okay, is that a fact? Yeah, you're suggesting. Are you sure that's true? Okay, and then let's see. Fact the origin. Okay, it comes from Latin factum, an act, a deed, a feat. Yeah, factus, done. So, yeah, it's something that's done. This is a fact. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Fact.